What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to see Instagram story without them knowing. Or in other words, you can see how to watch someone else's story but without them knowing. So let's head over to our Instagram to do this. Once you're in your Instagram, make sure you have logged into Discord account, otherwise you won't get the story of them. Then just for suppose I want to see this Tommy Ree person story. So what I will do is I don't want them to know that I will see their story. So I will just head over to their beside person story. So I'll go to this Tiara Sharis. So and then I'll just half swipe, and as you can see I have half swiped it and I can see Tommy Ree's story, and I am just not fully swiping their story, I'm just half swiping. And with that, I'm also seeing their story and I know what they have posted on their story. So, yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.